If you spent any time in the Eurorack world, you probably come across Patch and Tweak, the book by Bjørn and Meyer. It's something of a Bible for modular synthesis. One of the things they introduced in this book is a set of universally applicable patch symbols and the signals that flow between them, so that any patch, no matter how complex, can be documented in a way that's clear and readable to anyone who knows the vocabulary. These symbols have been freely released for the community to use, and that's exactly what this tool is built on. Patch Notation Tool is a free browser-based diagram editor that lets you build patch documentation using those official patch and tweak symbols. On the left, you have the full library of 91 patch and tweak symbols, organized into 4 categories: audio sources, CB sources, audio modifiers, CB modifiers, and custom symbols. Drag any symbol onto the canvas to place it. Modules snap to a grid so your diagram stays tidy. You can pan with middle drag or command drag and zoom with the scroll wheel. Use the toolbar to zoom in and out, reset the view, or fit everything to screen. The toolbar on the top gives you quick access to everything you need. Zoom in and out, reset the view, or fit the entire patch to screen. You can export your patch as an SVG, PDF, or PNG. Load the bundled sample patch to get started quickly, clear the canvas for a fresh start, and delete whatever you've currently got selected. Select a cable color from the toolbar: yellow for audio, blue for modulation, red for gate and trigger, green for clock, and gray for pitch CV. Then click any patch point on one module and drag to any patch point on another. There are no directional rules. You can patch any signal type to any patch point in any direction. Cables also stack, so a single patch point can have multiple cables, just like stackable cables in a real rack. Select a cable by clicking it. You can then delete it with backspace, or click a different color swatch to change its signal type. Useful if you realize you've used the wrong cable color. To reroute a cable, middle click or command click on a Mac on a connected patch point, drag to the new destination and release. Switch to text mode to annotate your patch. Click on any module to add a note useful for describing what a module is doing in this particular patch. You can also click directly on a patch point to annotate individual ins and outs. If you have a module that does not have a symbol in the patch and tweak library, the custom category lets you add it with a custom name. It gets saved to your library and appears in the palette for quick reuse across patches. Your work auto-saves in the browser as you go. You can also name and save patches locally. Everything is stored in your browser. JSON import-export is provided for backing up or sharing patches between devices or your friends. There's a light and dark theme toggle on the top right. Patch Notation tool is free to use in the browser. No install, no account. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.